you guys. Okay, awesome. Alright, my name is Jose and I'll be giving you a video tour of McAfee's Knob. Just quite information about McAfee's. McAfee's Knob, it's an 8.0 mile hike. It roughly takes around an hour and 30 minutes till 2 hours, depends on your speed. This trail is full of shelters, bathrooms, honestly, and there's two different trails which I'll show you on my way up, and then I'll show you the different trail you can do on the way down. Some information about McAfee's is that it's one of the most scenic trail of the Appalachian Trail, so due to its popularity, you will never be alone in this trail. I've hiked this trail multiple times, and honestly, it's one of the best hikes you could ever do around here. I mean, I lived in Roanoke, Virginia, which I'm really like 20 minutes away from. So let me give you an actual view of how McAfee's will look from the bottom to the top, okay? Alright, so from the parking lot, you can currently see all the cars in there. One important thing you want to do when you're trying to hike this trail is just make sure you always cross the street. Alright, the trail does not begin on the other side. Alright, so just make sure you do that safe side, because once I got lost hiking 60 miles trying to do McAfee's Knob, and it wasn't what I expected. Alright, and it's gonna have a sign. It is literally gonna have a staircase in here, so, and it's gonna tell you right there, McAfee's Knob is 3.9 miles. Let's just call it 4. And it's gonna take Catawba Mountain. Okay, so just make sure you follow the path up, and it will lead you to it. Alright, so you're gonna encounter two trails. Okay, well, two paths. One is gonna be a left side. Okay, the important thing about this path that it will literally lead you to McAfee's Knob in a less tiring way. So this is like the fire trail. It all consists of just it's literally just a whole path. Alright, going up to McAfee's Knob. If it's your first time hiking McAfee's Knob and you're not a true hiker, or you don't hike that often, I would definitely suggest you to take this path, just because I guess you're faster to get there and you'll be there safe. Then there's also the right path, which will take you that way. You'll see the shelter right there. If you hike often, I'll definitely suggest you to do this one. Alright, now through this path you'll find shelters, bathrooms. So, and if you're really trying to experience the McAfee's Knob hike, then I'll definitely suggest you to do this one right here. I think it's a mile more than it should, but honestly, it's worth it. You can there's a picnic table, so you can honestly have many breaks in there with all your family and people.
Down. I was younger then. Take me back to when I found my heart, broke it here, made friends and lost them through the years. And I've not seen the boring fields in so long. I know I've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. It's real. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. 15 years old and smoking hand-rolled cigarettes, running from the law through the backfields and getting drunk with my friends. Had my first kiss on a Friday night. I don't reckon that I did it right, but I was younger then. Take me back to when we found weekend jobs, and when we got paid, we'd buy cheap spirits and drink them straight. Me and my friends have not thrown up in so long. Oh, how we've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at One friend left to sell clothes. One works down by the coast. One had 2 kids but lives alone. One's brother overdosed. One's already on his 2nd wife. One's just barely getting by. But these people raised me, and I can't wait to go home. And now I'm on my way.
Guys, whew, 4 miles later, an hour and 35 minutes later, have finally reached kind of the top. I'm on my way right now, so you can never see. There's the sign right there. This is overlook. Right, so we are getting closer to McAfee's knob. Just going up this. Lord, I am tired. My breath.
Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on the tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. And I'm feeling
Alrighty guys, so right now I'm at the bottom. Well, half tide so far at mile and 3. You can tell right here. Here's the overlook. Now remember, if you guys remember the beginning, how I told you there was 2 different paths. One was if you're a true hiker, you should often do that, and the other one is for persons who haven't done McAfee's knob and it's their first time. Well, right now I'm in that trail, so you can guys see right now. So we are about to take the left/right trail on the way back, so you guys can see the difference between. That was it. That was McAfee's knob. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. This is one of my favorite hikes, so I hope it does become one of yours. And if you decide to visit, just make sure you come on a good day like this. I appreciate you for watching, so just make sure you like this or unlike it, honestly. If you want to stay updated to my upcoming videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing a lot of activities throughout the summer, so I should keep you guys daily, at least 1 or 2 videos once a week. So just keep checking on me. I'll always be doing the same thing what I do. And thank you so much for watching.